Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by collecting transparent PNGs and placing them in files or photos so Goodnotes can access them immediately. Once done, open Goodnotes, tap the plus button and choose Image to import each sticker file directly onto a page. Make a blank page or a dedicated sticker notebook as your working canvas. This keeps images separate from notes and makes it faster to copy and reuse stickers later. You'll refine each image using Goodnotes image and lasso tools. First, tap an image and drag a corner to resize, hold the corner to keep proportions, and rotate as needed. Next, use the lasso tool to crop or select multiple stickers to move and duplicate in one action. Make sure to group related images or lock base pages so stickers don't shift when you write. This preserves layout and speeds up repeated use. You finalize by organizing sticker sheets for quick access. Arrange several stickers per page, then copy groups or duplicate the page to build a pack you reuse. To apply a sticker, copy it and paste into any notebook, then resize and position. Use undo or duplicate to iterate fast. If a sticker loses transparency, blurs, or won't move correctly, re-import the original PNG from files and replace it. This fixes common placement or transparency issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.